We research real life incidents like the Maha Kumbh Mela, where thousands of people go missing every year. Although AI facial recognition systems are used, they sometimes fail in real time due to lighting, crowd density, and poor visibility. This motivated us to create a simpler, faster, and more reliable system.
Our solution is a barcode wristband safety system. Each family member, especially children, women, and elderly individuals, wears a waterproof barcode band that contains important details like the person's name, parent's name, mobile number, and the Aadhaar number.
At the entry and exit gates, we place QR or barcode scanners connected to an ESP32 and an OLED display. When a person scans their wristband, their details pop up instantly. If someone stays inside the event for longer than the permitted time, the GSM module sends an alert message to their guardian or the event manager. During our analysis, we realized that even in well organized events, people often panic when a family member goes missing because there is no quick way to verify identities. This gap becomes even more critical for children and elderly individuals who may not remember their details or communicate clearly in stressful situations. Our system ensures that any volunteer or security staff can instantly retrieve the needed information with a simple scan, reducing confusion and speeding up the entire rescue process.
If a child or elderly person is found lost, scanning their wristband immediately reveals their family's contact details, helping authorities reunite them quickly and safely. Our components include the ESP32, a 1D 2D barcode scanner, OLED display, RTC, and a GSM GPRS module.